Good morning viewers, very good morning. Today I am going to tell the basics of spoken English. First listen to my video, learn it, listen it and don't forget to subscribe my video. Okay, so what are the basics of English? First of all, why we have to speak English? English, I have already told you, it is a global language, it is a official language and everybody needs English to speak in the offices, colleges, wherever you are. It is necessary nowadays in this global era. We have to speak English that will be benefited to you to get better jobs, to get better opportunities in this world. So like that, how to speak? You have to speak English, it's okay. How to speak? I have already told you, by listening, by learning, by imitation and by practicing. These methods if you follow, you can learn, listen and speak. It's okay. How to speak? What are the basics of the language? So the basics of language is, for any language we need some basics. For if you want to learn English, how to speak, you should know the basics of English. What are the basics? Alphabets. What are alphabets? A to Z. How many types are there in the alphabets? There are two types. The first one is vowels and the second one is consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Then what are consonants? The rest of the letters except vowels, the remaining all the letters are called as consonants. Now you know vowels and you know consonants, you know letters. You can speak English? No, not possible. So you have to learn the words. So what is word? A group of letters make a word. So any group of letters you can make words and you can develop vocabulary like CAT cat, MANGO mango, like that different words you can make with the help of the letters. Then what words you know? So how to make sentence? A group of words make a sentence. How you can make sentence? A group of words can make a sentence with meaningful sense. Not that just group of words we are adding and we can make sentences. No, we have to make the sentence with a group of words with the meaning. There should be some sense. For example, book, table. Is it correct? What you can understand? Book is separate, table is separate. So, if you say book is on the table, then that is correct sentence. So, what is that? Just a group of words. A sentence should be have some meaning. Then only that is sentence. Not just group of words are not sentence. So, a book is on the table and book, table, there is a lot of difference. For example, cat. Cat is under the chair. Just I say cat chair. You can understand? You think that Miss is telling cat, teacher, that chair separately. Cat is under the chair. There is meaning. So like that, you should make meaningful sentences. Then only you can speak. So you know the words, you know the sentences and you have to learn how to speak. So what are the basics of the English? Alphabets, and alphabets consisting of vowels and consonants, and with the help of the letters you can make words. Out of words you can make sentences with meaningful sense. Then you know words, you know sentences. Can you speak? Not possible. So you should practice it. For each word you have to make a group of friends, like 10 people for example. You take your own friends, you sit together and play Antakshari. What is Antakshari? You know. So one girl starts with one word. So that, for example, machine. What is the last word? Ye. With that ye, another girl should make. Like that girl's ending word, another girl. Like that 10 words you can make differently. Those 10 words, you all of you know, little bit vocabulary you can improve. Then after making the words, you start Antakshari again with sentences. So 10 children can make 10 sentences. So you know 10 new words, 10 new sentences. By like that, you can practice and discuss and converse. Then you can start speaking. For this speaking, you need some more things. That is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? There are parts of speech are nothing but the tools of speaking English. With the help of the parts of speech, we can speak better English with little grammatical way. So that's why parts of speech also very important. So how many parts are there? There are 8 parts are there. The first one is noun, second one pronoun, third one adjective, fourth one verb, fifth one adverb, then prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. So all these things, how to speak, when to speak, according to the situation you can make a sentences and speak. So this, if you know it, the basics if you know, and the tools of the parts of speech if you know, it will be easy for you to speak English. So next class I will take about noun, pronoun, like step by step. So for this today, you know about the words, letters, sentences. For each vowels you make 5 words. For each consonants you make 5 words. Then sentences, 10 group people you have discussed, no? Those sentences you make so that you can have 10 new words, 10 sentences. All this together you practice until tomorrow. So the next time I will explain about parts of speech clearly. Okay? So follow my video, listen to it and practice it and do the homework and start speaking. But don't forget to subscribe it. Have a good day.